Hey guys, today I am explaining the interworkings for the rough 3D model that I have completed tonight for the lift system and the rest of it, just all of it. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through how this is working here. All right, this is the base of our frame here. Yeah, ungroup this group. All right, so this is the base of our frame. Right here, and what I've done is I've attached two poles. We can make this longer, of course, or shorter, depending on what we'd like. And I've mounted a beam across it. It attaches at 2 points, here and here, right here, and right here. So that way, it'll reinforce this and also help to redistribute that weight over here so the thing doesn't topple over. Now, the main pneumatic lift cylinder is this. It is tied together with these metal zip ties, that have a bolt going through them. The bolt will go through both of these, so that way these are all connected together. I'll do that for 3 parts of it, and then these two poles will be bolted down to this floor, and they'll also be bolted to these to provide extra, just a little more, support so it's more durable. Now it fits snugly inside of these two holders so it doesn't slide around, just in case if this isn't enough. Just to make it extra sure that it doesn't slide around, because we don't want it moving at all. Now this is it at full extension right now. This cylinder is of course bigger in real life, so it'll go higher or lower, depending on what you like, although the cylinder should not be larger than the height of the combined of the between the wheels to the cylinder, because you need this to be able to grab onto the boxes. So here you have the two valves for the pneumatic cylinder out here, so we can attach these valves back down into the main systems chamber, which is over there. And at full extension, here you have the tip of it, which I clamped on a beam that goes across into these two made tracks. Now these tracks are made to be fairly durable. Let's see if I can pull one of these guys apart here. Pull that off. There we go. And you see, so this is all of this is just so I don't need to select anything. So this is all connected to that one beam, and it's gliding along this square and is kept in place because of this metal bar, which goes all the way down. Alright, so I'll just put that back. There you go. Same thing on the other side, so this can slide up and down freely. And then on this side, which is where we have the grappling arms, now these are the lead screws, and these are the servos. I know these aren't exactly the best servos, but this is what I got. So the bit that is around the lead screw here, right there, is attached to this beam right here. This beam which goes all the way across, and this beam is attached to this bar, this plate here, and this plate is attached by these two plates on each side, keeping it in place so it doesn't, wibble around or anything. And from this, it can slide that way or that way using this lead screw, depending on which way you turn the servo. On the other side, you have the same exact thing, and these are to lock into place with the grooves in the boxes, so you can really get a nice grasp. We can also shorten this all the way down, and that should be enough to keep the cylinder of the trash can from just sliding out. That should be enough to stop it, which is pretty cool. And now, one of the issues with this is we could potentially be lopsided here if we carry like a lot of objects, and this railing could come undone. So in order to stop this possible issue from occurring, I have developed a counterbalance system. The counterbalance system uses one pneumatic piston, and glides along this rail. So the pneumatic piston is connected to this metal bar, which goes across and fits into this into these two rails on both sides, and they have a counterweight. Once again, this is at full extension for this piston as well, so that way we need someone to do some complicated math to figure out how much these counterbalances need to weigh and where they need to be positioned, because the further back they are, the more effect that they have on this. So if we're carrying like 5 totes, we'll need to be at maximum extension, and so yeah, it's going to require some complicated maths there. So yeah, that's the representative mounting system that I have going on right now. If you guys want to, you know, chime in on how this works or have any inputs on it, you can. So I guess that's it for now. Peace out.